In this video, I want to share with you a new trending political niche that has the potential to go viral and get you lots of sales on merch on demand. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print on demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch on demand and other print on demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you that new trending political niche, just want to do a quick sales update for merch on demand. So today is Sunday, September 28th, 6:17 a.m. in the morning. Already got one sale. But my sales have not been as good as they were last month. We can see last month I did about $3,500, and it looks like I'm going to be doing around $1,000 less. Probably finish somewhere around like $2,600 or $2,700. Basically, I just had a lot of back to school sales that were selling really well last month, and since kids have been back in school now for about a month, those haven't been doing as well. But still, $2,600, $2,700 is going to be good. But we can see I started off the week with a pretty good day right here, $183 in one day, and then Friday I did $121, and then yesterday I did $93. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both merch on demand and for Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, family pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 20 years. So there was some news that came out on Friday or Saturday talking about how Trump is going to be sending troops to Portland, and this reminded me of a niche that came out about a month ago where Trump did the same thing and he sent troops to Washington, D.C. So, this just got my mind thinking, and I was like, because I saw that Washington, D.C. Niche do very well, and I just figured, this is probably going to be the same thing here in Portland. So let's just watch this little quick news clip so you can see what the heck I'm talking about.
And we continue to follow our breaking news. Just a short time ago, President Trump announcing on Truth Social that he is sending troops to Portland, Oregon to protect ICE facilities.
Okay, so that is what the niche is about. And if we go to Merch Dominator right here, here are some of those Washington, D.C. designs that sold well. A month ago, we can see like these ones in August, they still have pretty good BSRs like 615, 756. The sandwich guy that became pretty famous. And if we go to the product search on Merch Dominator and we just type in Portland and go to newest, we can see that there's already some designs that are popping up in this niche right here, like right here called Free Portland. So that's the niche, and I want to share with you some ways on how you can make designs for this, and also give you some free prompts that you can just copy from me or just use as templates and give you ideas to make your own unique designs. So if we jump on over here to Ideogram, here are what the prompts and the designs look like, and I'm just going to go ahead and click on the first one right here, this one. So as we can see here, I saw a lot of these free DC designs selling well, so that is why I went ahead with this first one right here called Free Portland. Now, the only problem with Portland is that there's more characters. Free DC, it's less characters, so it's going to be bigger. But you could still definitely do something like this. Maybe it'd be better if you put the free on the top and the Portland on the bottom with the stars. But you just want to have something kind of similar like this or like this, saying Free Portland. And I would switch up the color. So you want to have one that's white text, red text, blue text. Put them on different style shirts as a thumbnail. Also, what I would also do for this one is I would move it all the way to the top right here. You want it at the top right here for the t-shirt, but that's the first one that I have for you. Next one is a style that I've seen sell really well in just basically all political niches. Anytime a new political niche comes out, where you have these like kind of groovy hippie flowers right here, and you have Free Portland. I actually think this one came out really nice. It's one of my favorite ones. So this is a good one right here. This, like I said, this design style sells well. Here's another one where you have Free Portland, and you have basically, the American flag kind of like as a clipping mask in Photoshop if you used that before. So this one actually turned out really nice. You can also do like other type of colors. Like I also thought maybe like an LGBT, like rainbow colors could work well, because that's also, works well with this, the liberal niche. So that's just another idea. Next one is going to be We the People, Free Portland. So this is another trend that I've seen with political niches, where you say We the People, then you basically just pop in the niche or whatever the quote or the saying is. That is trending. You just want to make sure that the We the People is in this calligraphy style prompt. So another good one there. And this one right here, Keep Your Filthy Fascist Hands Off Portland. Now, after I made this one, I think hands off actually might be trademarked, so you just want to double check that. In case it is, you can switch out hands with Keep Your Filthy Fascist Paws off Portland. You know, try and think of like another word or maybe another way to kind of say this design. But I think this turned out really nice here. You got the retro colors. You got kind of like the distressed font. You know, it works well. So that could be a good one. This one caught my eye, or this one I made because I saw a lot of ones with Washington D.C. with the, or free Washington D.C. with the, you know, the Washington D.C. Capitol in the background. So that's why I decided to go with this one. Now for this one right here, what I would do is I would actually pop it into Photoshop and I would enlarge it. I would make it a lot bigger. I would move it up to the top. I'd also make free Portland bigger as well. But if you can get some kind of like silhouette of Portland and, you know, add in some type of text right here, like free Portland, that could be another one. I mean, it doesn't just have to be free Portland. You could also do like no troops in Portland. You can kind of get creative. Think of some other sayings that you think could work well. Use your own research and maybe come up with some designs. And then this last one right here, I think was my favorite, is resist, free Portland. So again, we've seen this design style sell well where we have the Statue of Liberty. It has the resist. You know, you can use the flag in the back or not. And basically you just have the niche at the bottom, free Portland. So these are the 7 prompts that I have for you for this niche that I think is going to start to take off. We've just seen it in the past, so I don't know why it would be every different this time. You know, Portland is a very progressive liberal state, city in Oregon, so I think this could be a good niche for us. And again, if you want, you can actually just download these prompts that I just shared with you for free on my PayHip shop. The link is in the description. Here again, you can see what the prompts look like. You can read the description. And if you're looking for more prompts, if you just click on my face right here, I have a bunch of other free prompts. You just go to this free prompt section right here. And then if you're looking for paid prompts or like holiday prompts, I'm running a 50% sale for the end of the month. So like 50 Christmas t-shirt prompts. This is a really good one. Halloween, Thanksgiving, breast cancer, you know, all for 50% off today. And if you're looking for a niche service, you might want to consider joining my school community. Click on the link in the description, and it will take you to this page here where you can watch this video where I go more into depth on who my school community is for and what you receive as a school community member. But basically, you're just going to be receiving niches and prompts every day for both Merch on Demand and Etsy. You get access to all my GPTs. You're part of the community, you know, all that good stuff. It's only $24 a month, and you can cancel at any time. No questions asked. So if you're interested, check it out. If not, it is all good. I will continue making free YouTube content on this channel. So make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Click the bell so you don't miss out on any new videos and any free prompts. Okay, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Adios.